banjo.
To the Tree Shop YouTube channel. I'm your host, Jeremiah, and I'm actually looking for my Milwaukee battery. Big one. Jason's cup. I think that's Jason's cup. But, so I'm in a rush today. I just don't have a lot of time. So that's why videoing is going to be a little rougher than normal. A little faster paced. Not that I'm a great videographer, if you will. But definitely faster paced. So first things first, we're on this job site. It's 3 acres. Oh, I'm gonna keep banging into everything today. Gonna have some bad words in this video. On the first 30 seconds, otherwise YouTube doesn't like me. They'll literally throttle a video so bad just because I use a 4-letter word that they deem as bad. It's just the sound. It's hilarious. Anyways, new can of anti-seize. Always got to anti-seize your bolts on your knives, guys. You've seen me deal with that in the past. Kind of bummed I don't know where my 12-watt battery is. I think it's on the back one, actually. All right, so here we go. We were here Friday and just started laying it down. We're about halfway done with laying it down, but machine looks good. We're gonna go drive it up there and get these knives put on. Alright guys, there's going to be a lot of wind noise in this video, I'm pretty sure. So, if it gets too bad, turn it down. I don't know what to tell you. If I put music over it, everyone bitches about the music. Not everyone, but... Anywho, there's the wind. It is what it is. It's good. We need to get this hot air out of here. We've been just burning up lately in Florida. It's stupid heat. It's humidity and the temperature are the same number, and they're almost triple digits somehow. It's crazy. It just sucks. You walk outside and it's just but that's Florida. It is what it is. Times a year we get this little moody stuff, and all we do is just stay inside. There's no reason to go outside. Now that I have new knives, I don't have to be so picky. We are only targeting 8 inches, but we're gonna take some palm stuff. Most of this is Brazilian pepper and palm. right, hit it up in the comments. You think that's going to cause me more problems? I honestly don't know. I mean, it might work. It also might not. Anywho. Sorry, cat. Hey, Jim, it's coming to you soon. Anywho, you can see what we're dealing with left. I'll go through and clip all these smaller palms. Pretty much anything over 4 feet of stem, right? So this is stem. So if there's over 4 feet of it, stay. Go over our, yes, that's over our 8-inch max for this project. I always say it's in reason on palms because this is not an 8-inch. This should go. There's no value in this. This thing doesn't even have a stem started yet. Literally, not even a stem started. It's just green. No, guess there's a stem, I guess, a little bit. Right, there's stem. So, anyways, gonna hop in the machine. I'm actually leaving the trailer here tonight. I'm tired of dragging it an hour and a half every day, one direction. So we're gonna go back there and finish up today. We're just gonna clear cut on the back line and then make everything pretty on the way forward, I think, today, and then we'll finish the back tomorrow because the back is even thicker than what we've been dealing with today. So let's get this machine back chewing. I get probably maybe 10 minutes of runtime at this point now, and then I get about 5 minutes of cool down. It's just real frustrating, but that's the horse I rode, so I chose to ride. We gotta stick with it now. We are gonna get this trailer picked up off of us so we can take the left center lane on the way home. I've been trying to keep the truck below 75. You think he's gonna race? Okay, we gotta be ready. Nope, we have the reaction time of a potato. Cross the crosswalk. Woo! You want to go faster than that? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can't catch a red light. Hold on. This Buick wanted to get in the left lane too. Why does everyone want to go straight from parking lot to left lane? Silly baby, silly peoples. Yeah. I want to go fast. No. Huh? Yes. Yeah. Go very fast. Very fast. I want to go fast. Say it. I'll go fast. Yeah. Nailed it, baby. Nailed it. I want to be fat. Give me that candy. Actually, she asked for steak and mac and cheese for dinner, so we're eating chicken and broccoli rice casserole. Woo, woo. Right, baby? Ready? Yeah. Oh, there we go. Woo! Is that fast enough? All right. No? Again! Man! In Port Orange. Arguably one of the least free cities in America. I.e. most corruption and tyranny from law enforcement and bad politics. I think we're good, baby. We're just gonna we're gonna cruise the rest of the way home, okay? No. I'll go fast on our road. When we get on the dirt road, I'll go fast, yeah? No. No, you want me to go fast here, huh? No, we don't want to go fast anywhere. I don't know. All right. Say bye, YouTube. Say bye, YouTube. Steady, say. All right.